Hi friends, I'm Tirak. You're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to create a project report on your Google Sheet using Google Sheet templates and if in your mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to create a project report on your Google Sheet mobile, I just going to show in this video. So first of all, click on this plus symbol and you just want to click on the choose template option. So now you just want to scroll down so you can see, you can find it on the bottom section called project management. Here you can see a project tracking and project timeline, and also swipe up you can see lot of different type of templates are here, so you can just use anything here. So even more marketing timeline like that, you just click on this timeline or chart what that you want. It have a different type of project templates. You can just use any one of the template. It's actually easy to edit. Just please double tap here, you can see the formula here. You can just change and modify the formula, or you can add extra value on the cell using this option. And you can just select the cell, and you can have a different type of, you can just customization of colors and also anything here you can easily do here. And this is how you just create a project report by using the Google Sheet mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.